Here we will see Abstract Base Class module in Python. The ABC module stands for Abstract Base Class, which offers strong built-in support for abstract classes. This module provides the infrastructure for defining abstract base class, which are used to create interfaces for subclasses to implement. This module helps to enforce a consistent structure and behavior across a group of related classes. And these are part of the Python standard library, which means no external installation is needed. This module provides the infrastructure for defining abstract base classes in Python. An abstract base class is a class that can't be instantiated on its own and is designed as a blueprint for other classes, which allows user to define a common interface for a group of related classes. These classes gives programmers the necessary tools to create abstract classes, including the abstract method decorator and the abstract base class. The abstract base class is built-in Python feature that serves as a fundamental basis for developing abstract classes. You must inherit from ABC to define an abstract class. Since it acts as a blueprint, abstract classes make sure that any concrete subclass must follow the set of rules. This class contains one or more abstract methods, and these methods must be included in any class that inherits from it. But it doesn't provide the actual code for these methods, which make the code consistent and predictable by guaranteeing that all derived classes offer functionality for the designated methods. By defining abstract methods and requiring their implementation in subclasses, these tools help you to maintain uniformity and conformity to a predetermined interface. By requiring the implementation of essential methods in all derived classes and permitting the partial implementation of common functionality in abstract base class, these modules also encourages improved design patterns. And because of this, the ABC module is crucial component for organizing scalable, robust and stable Python applications. This is useful for ensuring that the derived classes implement particular methods from the base class, which provide a consistent interface for different parts of your program. Components of abstract base classes modules are: the abstract base class module in Python consists of several key components that enable them to define and enforce interfaces for subclasses. These components help in creating and managing abstract base classes. First is ABC class. This class from Python abstract base class module serves as the foundation for creating abstract base class. Any class derived from ABC is considered as an abstract base class. Then abstract method decorator. This decorator from the ABC module is used to declare an abstract method. These methods do not have implementation in the ABC and must be overridden in the derived classes. ABC meta class. This is the meta class used by the ABC. It is responsible for keeping track of which methods are abstract and ensuring that instance of the abstract base class cannot be created if any abstract method are not implemented. Then concrete methods in ABC. Abstract base classes can also define concrete methods that provide a default implementation. These methods can be used or overridden by subclasses. Then instantiation restrictions. A key feature of ABC is that they cannot be instantiated directly if they have any abstract method. Attempting to instantiate an ABC with unimplemented abstract method will raise a type error. And subclass verification. Abstract base classes can verify if a given class is a subclass using the isSubclass function and can check instance with the isInstance function.